I'll make a brand new start of it in old New York.
What's up everyone, it's me, Cameron. This video is going to be a little different than ones I've made in the past. It's going to be a vlog documenting my move to New York City. It's crazy that I'm at a point in my life now where I am moving to New York and I am starting my adult life. I graduated from the University of Florida back at the end of April. It is now July 5th. I fly out tomorrow, Wednesday, July 6th, up to New York to start my new life. In New York City, I will be working for KPMG, doing consulting, and I cannot wait. But that doesn't make saying goodbye to my hometown of Naples, Florida, any less bittersweet. It definitely is very sad to be packing up. My office is completely bare right now. My room is empty. It's really sad. I've had an absolutely amazing time in Naples. I've been here the last 17, 18 years of my life, and this is where my family is, this is where my friends are, and it's sad to say goodbye. But with that, it's important that I remember that I am realizing my dream. I have always wanted to move to New York City, and everything has worked out. I have an amazing apartment to move into, I have a great roommate, and I just have so much to look forward to. With that being said, this video is kind of just going to show the process of me and my family going up to New York City, moving in to my apartment, and really just documenting this whole experience because it definitely is a wild ride. So with that being said, I need to go downstairs and finish up some final touches on my packing, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Okay, so I realized I probably should give a little bit more context as to where I'm moving before I show the actual move-in. I am moving to Murray Hill, which is a neighborhood in New York City just south of Midtown East, which is where I'm working. It's a really famous location just for college graduates and finance bros like myself. But here it is. It's definitely the Midtown area, so some taller buildings, kind of the vibe I was going for. And the building I am moving into is known as the Corinthian. I am so excited to move into this building. Here are some quick stats about my apartment. It is 900 square feet. It was initially a one bedroom, one bathroom apartment, but the prior owners put in a flex wall, which is very popular in New York City, just to add a bedroom. You'll see here my room is absolutely huge. It was initially the master bedroom, so I have some great closet space, and it is 15 feet by 12 feet, which is the size of a lot of people's apartments when they first move in. There is the bathroom, definitely plenty to work with. And the nice thing, even though we have the flex room, we still have some common space with a TV and couch. This is my roommate's room, and you can see there a pretty amazing view for him. But the building is great, tons of amenities, gym, golf simulator, indoor pool, and I cannot be more thrilled to be moving into really my dream apartment.
I'll make a brand new start of it in old New York.
Alright, so I am back to narrating this video. So this is when we first walked into the apartment. My family decided it was most cost effective to just bring everything that I wanted to move in checked bags instead of actually shipping it. It was way cheaper. Here is just a quick coffee shop right down the block. Definitely necessary to get some caffeine before moving all of this stuff, but this just shows a little bit of the mayhem right at the beginning. The first day, I really just focused on putting all of my clothes away, just because that didn't require any, assembly of things. Fortunately, all of this stuff was already in my room. This shows the terrace of the building. It's on the 4th floor. Wish it was kind of a rooftop, a little bit higher up, but really amazing views. It wraps around the entire building. You can see the Empire State Building right there, and of course, plenty of seating areas. This is just on the walk over to my mom's hotel, And now this is the next day. So got the desk built. That's, you know, a huge part of the room for me. And now we are working on the bed frame. I did decide to get a full-size bed and bed frame. I think I definitely could have opted for the queen size. The room is big enough for it, but I had a full-size bed in college and it was perfectly fine. And here is just a quick video showing us unboxing the mattress. Again, it is a foam mattress from Amazon. It is the same that I had in Gainesville and absolutely loved it. I thought it was just, again, the most cost-effective option. I think the bed frame and the bed in total was maybe $280 on Amazon, and it was all shipped right to my building, so really just a lot easier to do it that way. Now we just decided to go to Target just to pick up a few last things, and that is a view of my building from the street. And this just shows a little bit more of the Murray Hill area. What a nice selfie there, I know. And yeah, it's really convenient. The Target is only a few blocks away down in Kips Bay. That is the lamp that I picked up. Felt it fit that corner pretty well. You can put books, whatever on that. This is the lobby of my building. Again, so nice. Can't believe that this is going to be my reality here in New York City. Now I've gotten the desk set up pretty similar to my desk in Gainesville and in Naples, but really just an awesome L-shaped desk with a view. Now, of course, a nice $7 mirror from Target. Okay, so day 2 of moving in is a wrap. It's about 6 o'clock right now. And honestly, I'm done with everything that I can do. Just gonna order some things on Amazon, but for the most part, this is everything that we could do. Waiting for the comforter to still come in for the bed. It's black, but yeah, pretty excited. It was awesome to be able to get the desk done just because it really allowed me to see kind of the actual dimensions of the room and everything works and fits the way I kind of planned it to. So that's pretty cool. And yeah, so definitely a very eventful couple of days, but I think I'm gonna wrap the video up here just because this is pretty much it. I will have probably a room tour at some point as soon as I finish everything else up. But yeah, that's gonna wrap up the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Like, comment, and subscribe. I've got plenty of New York content coming soon, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Psych, can't get rid of me that easily. These videos are kind of just showing the finished product. So that was my closet. This is an overview of my room, and I really just wanted to use this time to kind of explain a little bit more about the building and kind of this opportunity for rent. So I am paying $21.25 a month in rent, and that is plus utilities, so definitely a lot of money. But when I saw this opportunity for this apartment come up, I really realized it was too good not to pounce on it. It is a little bit over budget just because I initially was hoping to spend $2,000, but this is honestly way more than I was ever anticipating that I could get in New York City. It really checks off everything from my list, so that is why I am deciding to go for it, and really I am just so happy with what I am getting. So this just shows the other closet that's going to have most of my formal stuff for work, and here are some quick videos my mom filmed. She probably should get a tripod at some point if she's trying to film these, but this again shows the lobby, when I was checking in with the concierge. Really just an amazing building. I am so fortunate and blessed to be in the financial situation that I found myself in, to be able to afford this and to be able to have my family come and help me move in. That was such a help. This is again another clip of the building. It is 58 stories tall. It's crazy. When it was first built in 1989, it was actually the largest condominium building in New York City. So random fact for you there. But this shows, again, kind of the view from my window. It is looking out at the East River, so those tall buildings there are actually Long Island City across the river. So I get, again, another fun fact for you. But really excited to just be living here, to be able to spend time out here, reading, editing videos, just hanging out with friends. I really just can't wait to kind of embrace the lifestyle. And like I said at the beginning of the video, New York City has always been my dream, and kind of making this video really reminded me of that. I am, again, so blessed, and I know God has really given me the opportunity to chase a dream, and I can't wait to see what I can accomplish. And again, plenty of videos coming soon, but that's going to wrap this one up. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions at all, reach out to me on Instagram at Galbraith. I'd be more than happy to help out. But that's going to wrap the video up. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.